Right, Mark, let me tell you what I was talking about. I was boring you with in the corridor today. Here we have Cambridge University Skills Portal, and here we have the PDP section. Now, as you can see, not an awful lot on it. Nice, nice, nice. How to use this site. How to use this site. Here's what I like, what's expected of me. PDP is not assessed. How much you do and how often is up to you. Remember to keep all your PD files together in a safe place. Your PDP portfolio is private and you do not have to show it to anyone. That said, it's useful to take a copy with you when you go and see your tutor. So it lays the responsibility for all this firmly on the student. Now, what I like is that there's small bits, but there's a lot of it. If you look at it, conducting a skills audit. Here we have a short introduction, and then the student can do their own skills audit that you can see here, and it emphasises the importance of bringing in skills from your private life, from your hobbies and interests. You can record your own experiences, yeah, and it will give you a place to record the qualifications that you've got and everything that you need. But there it is. It's on the website, so it's not left up to individual tutors. It's emphasised that it's private and that it's not marked, which gets us out of the whole question of how many credits is going to be given for it, and whether or not it goes on the timetable or whether or not it's assessed. It stands alone, it's the student's responsibility, and it's for the benefit of the students. Here's what I'm proposing for the Faculty of Health. I did this in a very short time, but here we are, you see, web-based again, Faculty of Health, PDP, Personal Development Planning, and nice short page there for you. Where do I start? Where are you going? And there we have a short introduction again. Should be a photograph here which I put on, but I don't know what's happened to that. Where are you going? And again, based roughly on the design of the Cambridge site, and try the skills audit test. So you press on the skills audit test, it takes you through to a short chart, as you can see here, which will give you something to know to stick in your portfolio, etc, etc. And click on that and go back up to the top, and what skills are you looking to acquire? And there we have, again, we've got somewhere to put your educational qualifications. These, by the way, are directly ripped off from Cambridge. Obviously we wouldn't use this sort of stuff, and there's your personal your transferable skills from your extracurricular activities. Now, what I would suggest is that we have a central place where these things are stored. So if a student goes into their own PDP and they fill one of these in, when they press save, it goes directly to their own repository. That's what I would suggest. I would also suggest that the university as a whole opens this up to competition for students to devise the PDP provision or the design of the PDP site. Because I think that would be something really cool to tell the QAA if they ever came. So there it is, there's my suggestion. I can see that there are problems with this. I do understand that there are problems with this, but not nearly as many problems as we might get if we try and negotiate this process on an equitable basis across all the faculties, because believe me, there are 1,000,001 different and competing and conflicting ideas about all this stuff, even within the university. So let me just see if I can stop this now. Stop capture, and let me know what you think, Mark. Speak to you soon.